Did you know that you can launch automated drip campaigns based on a call outcome? Well, this is really easy to set up in HighLevel, and if you're somebody who is calling tens and hundreds of leads a day, and if some of them are not picking up, it is always a great idea to push them to a drip sequence that runs for days, if not months, because you never know when somebody can convert, right? And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step instruction on how to set this up. All right, so go to your HighLevel account and head over to automations, then click on create workflow and start from scratch. Once it opens up under the trigger, we're going to use the call status trigger. So just select this green icon right here, and then we have to add in some filters to define when should this automation take place. So let's go ahead, click on add filters, and then from here I'm going to add the filter for call direction to be outgoing, because I only want this to happen when we are making calls. So let's go ahead and add the second one, which is going to be call status, and then here I'm going to do busy, no answer, voicemail, or canceled, because in these cases the call is not going through. So the prospect might be busy, it might not be a good time, or you never know. So based on these four filters, we're going to go ahead and click on save trigger. Now that the trigger is added, we're going to go ahead and add in some actions. Now usually for the drip campaigns, the structure is that you put in a wait step just like this. So let's say the initial wait period is about 10 minutes, and I always like to put that in the action name as well so I can see it very visually. And then usually people start the drip sequence for nurturing, so here you can put an email step, or you can also put in an SMS part. So by selecting that, you can put your content here and then essentially just, copy all actions and then maybe start delaying it by 2 days or 1 day. So based on that, after every wait step, you can essentially send an email or an SMS, or instead of doing all of this in one workflow, if you have another workflow set up for your drip sequence, you can also use the add to workflow step here. And once you select that, you can see I already have a drip sequence set up for nurturing. You can also set that and you will not have to do all of these steps right below. So this is also another way to do it. Of course, you can go ahead and publish and save it. And if I show you my drip nurture sequence, this is how it is currently set up. So you can see there's wait steps, there's more emails going out, and it looks like just a usual drip sequence. So this is how you can do it. And again, because this is happening based on a call outcome, so if a call didn't happen, you can trigger this to nurture that prospect. Or even though if somebody picks up but they are not sure about your program, or maybe you think they might be a candidate in the future, you can still put a tag and then trigger this automation. So that way, based on the call outcome, you're pushing people into a nurture sequence to convert your prospects into paying customers. So that was about this quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to put them right below. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.